Done skis. Timu.
It wasn't even Timu, bro. Now gives me a reason to go buy all 3 of them.
I want to rinse all this dirt that they have.
Tell them what you're gonna do today.
I grabbed the last little bit of ingredients to make tamales and tacos. Al pastor.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name's Shauna and today is the last day of 2024 and we have to do. To dump some rubbish. Babe, what did the guy just tell us?
They're not taking any Christmas trees. About to launch that shit. Biodegradable.
Everybody's dumping their Christmas trees today.
Butcher shop. Yeah.
Guys, he has like so much jello at home and he wants to get more.
Well, it's because I'm gonna be eating. 2025, you can drop 40 pounds. Let's go.
It's $4. Whatever. We need it. We don't shop at Safeway. We shop at the commissary though. Costco's our favorite though, low key. This is so good. This sandwich right here. Christian and I always get it. We're on a mission to find lard. Thank you. No luck, no lard. That place is so cute. It's kind of expensive. Finally, we went to 2 different stores.
4 and it now.
Look at how much dishes we have. Like, this is ridiculous. We finally made it home after searching for lard. Christian's about to go in.
You don't wash your meat? You can chop my finger off.
ASMR.
You know it's ASMR when you sharpen them. In the military with my buddies, and it was my first Thanksgiving away that I didn't go home. And I worked the entire week. I don't know why. Usually we're off for Thanksgiving.
Oh wait, I think you told me about this.
I went 4 days, max an hour of sleep, because I would go to work working like maybe 16, 18-hour days. Get out, I'd prep everything, get home, prep the next thing. Those 3 days of prep, I did everything by hand, like the masa, the mole, like everything. Now there's a little extra, so now I'm kind of like cheating a little bit. But also make the turkey. Gotta season the turkey, tamales. I'll make the salsa. I'll cook the chicken in the salsa. So I think I did sweet. First time was luck.
He said that about his tacos too. The blender blew up. It was a whole bunch of stuff.
Sauce all over the
Yeah. Trial and error. So that's what our vlog is. New Year's and making food for the familia. Step guy's birthday. What are you doing now, baby? It just started raining. We don't need that. It's so cold.
Now, I'm just sanding it.
Oh wait, are we making this next?
You're supposed to be
The masa? Oh, well you didn't tell me. Off on New Year's Eve, and when the clock strikes 12, I'll show you guys.
Getting hot as balls. Fucking gas. As fuck, my fingertips are burning.
Here, I got my tongs.
I gotta train my fingertips.
Show me your fingertips.